beauties, and welcome back to What Karen Loves. And I would like to apologize because today, as you are watching this, it is Saturday and it is not Friday, but my child had surgery done on his mouth and he had to be out for 2 days, and then he couldn't come back today, which today is Friday, and I actually hoped for him to come back today because I was going to record, because I was really excited to do this video, because I was really wanted to do something fun and creative, because I love skin masks. It's one of my favorite things to do, because as you guys can see right now, I have a skin problem. I don't know what's going on, but I have been breaking out really bad. I've been trying new things as well to try to get it to go away, but it hasn't really helped very much, but it's okay. So I'm hoping soon it'll go. If not, I'll be going to a dermatologist, because like this is just not cute, nor is it looking very good. Like this side right here looks great, like not too many problems. This side, there's so much breakouts, and then you got this going on, and then there's some breakouts on this side, but not as bad. So that's one reason why I picked this today, because A, I didn't want to do another makeup tutorial. Gosh, we don't need anyone else. And my skin doesn't need it either. So I thought, why not do something fun? So today, the other day, I found this in Walmart, and I thought it would be something fun. So today we're going to be doing this one, because it is the Gold Hamanka Honey and Royal Jelly. And it has, let me find the English one. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, treats dry and damaged skin and helps to promote new skin growth. I don't know which one I want. I mean, I think I really want to do the gold because it looks kind of fun. But this one sounds fun as well, because it has the appearance. It says it improves health and appearance of your skin. And I really do need that. I don't know, I mean, the gold sounds really fun, to be honest. Let's do the gold for the video purposes. I'll do the pink one of these days. I mean, the pink does sound kind of fun though, because like it has like all the things to improve the health and appearance of your skin. The gold one is a powerful facial treatment designed to improve the health and appearance of your skin. So it's basically the same thing. The gold helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by firming and toning your skin. The honey helps hold in moisture for a golding complex. The royal jelly helps treat dry, damaged skin and helps promote new skin growth. And my skin has been really dry, and so that's really the reason why I really want to try that. So let me make sure this is still recording, because I actually forgot to check the battery on this today, because I am that person. Okay, all right, we should be good. Okay. All right, so it says it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do. All right, and we just gotta put the little guy in the thing and put it on her face. And my skin is clean and dry and all that stuff, because I just took a shower, because I cleaned my house today and I used bleach, and I was trying to get it off my hands, and it was just a mess. Okay, right. Reminds me of slime. I don't know why, but it does. All right. Let's just see what it does. I don't know. This one right here sounds really good for the skin. At least for me. Yeah, but this says dry and damaged skin for the royal jelly. But this one has a thing that has an energy source for renewal, and it keeps the skin hydrated and visible dryness, which is awesome. I don't know, which one do I want to do, pink or gold? I'm gonna do this one because my skin's been kind of crazy lately. Okay. Alright, let's see if I get this little guy out of here. If I can get it out of here. Alright, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a great day. Look at this. Fresh. I forgot the name today. Okay. Okay, alright. Check this battery. Alright, we're still good. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now we need directions, preferably English. Okay. Alright, this says dip brush into a jar and scoop this desired amount. Spread evenly over face, avoiding eyes and lips. Wear mask for 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Make sure to wash masks off, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Excuse me, I just had a shake and whew. Okay, anyways. It smells, looks so pretty though, look at it. So cool. Okay, alright. This is the reason why I wanted to do it here, so that way I can see. Alright. It says to avoid the eyes, so we're just going. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I wasn't expecting how cold it was going to be. It's so pretty though. I'm hoping I'm doing this right, to be honest, but I guess there's not really no wrong way you could do a mask though, really. You know what I mean? You know, there are those one masks though, like if you put it upside down, it won't come out right. Or if you rip it, it's just like gone. So like, you know, there are those masks that you have to be careful with. Gotta avoid the eyeballs, it says. Oop. Oh, did y'all see the I don't know if y'all saw this, but there are leg masks now. I don't know if they remove hair or whatever, but I seen them the other day. I think I'm not trying them. They sound kind of awesome, to be honest. They remove hair. I'm down. I don't know about you, but I hate shaving my legs. I hate it with a passion. So I thought I would do this and then I can review it, you know? Review it. And I'm gonna put a little extra up here because this is where the most dry is. So I'm gonna try my best to get up here without my hair, but it is what it is. I'll always get it in my hair though. All the time, no matter what. And I'm gonna get it on. I'll put some on my nose because, you know, why not? They have it on their nose too. I like putting it everywhere as best as possible. And this brush sucks. So I'm gonna spread it around a little bit better than this brush is doing. I like using my hands, which I don't know if this is good or bad, but I like using my hands. My hands are clean though. I just took a shower, so. Okay. I mean, I'm avoiding the eyeballs. So that's the good part. It looks really dark in here. I don't know if I'm hoping that doesn't look dark on y'all's side, because that would be real sad. I am putting them everywhere that I can. Except for my neck. No need to put it there. Alright. Okay. I think I put it everywhere. Alright, now I'm gonna get all these bad boys out. I don't want my hand off. One of the things I have in here, I don't have any favorite hands in here. Okay. This is so cool though. Can you almost see that? Oh, you guys can see it. I don't want to die either. Okay. It's still recording, so still neat. Look at it, it's so cool. I love it. And I think it was like only $7 too for all 3 of these, which is pretty cool, honestly. So, alright. So, and now it has to be on for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to keep it on for, and it said it was out, so I have to put some on there. Okay, we're going to do probably about, I'd say 10 minutes, no sense to do 15 minutes. Alright. 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 10 minutes. I will see you guys back then. I look like the 10 men, don't I? It's so cool though. I like it. I look like I have mustard all over my face, to be honest. Alright, I'll see you back then. Bye! I'm back. Sorry about that. It is beyond 10 minutes. I had to shoot a thumbnail real quick because you guys know how awesome those are to get, especially when it is, you know, face mask time, you know. I love face masks. Thumbnails are so cool. Okay, anyways. So, now we have to, I believe, remove this now. So, producer. Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Producer's recording, hopefully. Alright, yeah, it's recording. Okay. Look at it. It's so crazy looking in it. Okay, let's remove this one. So shiny. Okay. I have 2 rags just in case because sometimes it takes more than 1 to remove some face masks because I know how some things are. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, ready? Ooh, 1 removal. Ooh, I like that. For me, with anything cleaning wise, I have to put moisturizer on after I clean my face because if not, it will super dry and it hurts like no one's business. And I'm not even kidding. I wish I was. Look, I had some in my eyeball. I'm like, how does that even possible? It doesn't have any, you know, my eyeball. Oh, what is that? Okay. Alright, let me dry my face and then I can tell you how I like it. Okay. Well, let me see what it's supposed to do again because I forgot. Okay. I do see a glowy, hold on. I missed some. Let's see it. I do see a glowy complexion. It is really glowy, so that's nice. It is really glowy. So I do notice that. I don't know anything about the hop in the dry yet, but I mean, I guess. Wow. I mean, I don't know if I'm supposed to like keep it wet or I don't really say. Oh, refrain from using if you're sensitive skin. Oops. Well, I guess we'll find out if this affects my skin because my skin is very sensitive. That's my bad. I didn't read that part. hard. That's okay though. But we are gonna put this look at on our skin. This has been my favorite for the last couple weeks. Highly recommend if you have highly dry and oily skin like me, because my skin is very oily and flakes, and I'm not even kidding with you guys when I tell you that it is very oily and it freaks out about everything. That's why here lately when I do makeup, I put on moisturizer, because my skin is really sensitive here lately, like way sensitive than it's been here in months. So I've been trying to take real good care of it. So my skin has been my most priority lately. So that's mostly why I haven't been doing most makeup lately on my channel. Okay, anyways, so I do like it. I don't know how it's gonna do to my skin because it is kind of iffy for sensitive skin. So I don't know yet. We'll see how it affects. Hopefully nothing too crazy, but like I said, I do recognize the glowiness of my skin, so that's cool. I do like it. I think it's fun. If you want to try something different for your skin, that's awesome. But if you have sensitive skin like me and crazy skin that reacts to everything, I suggest you probably not try it. But it was fun to try though. I had fun doing it, and I like trying new things, you know. Maybe we can do this some other time, you know, try some other products with you guys. But anyways, that's all I have guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys soon. Check out the new blog down below because it should be done by the time this video is up. And if not, actually it should be, because I should be working on it by the time. It should be good. Anyways, go check it out. And anyways, that's all I have you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and that's all. XOXO. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Oh wait, that's all. XOXO. Bye. Comment down below what you'd like to see soon, and check out also down below and check out the eye somewhere in this area, and subscribe. Bye.